It's a new 2019 BMW X5. When it's up to you, you get the most space, finest luxury, and best view. Take charge of the road in this X5. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Apple CarPlay with 1-year trial, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo i6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, dynamic damper control automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.